All right, now that you have understanding of Vandall's basic operations, let's look at more of how we can define the metadata to prepare our projects for release. So one of the greatest things is how well we support drag and drop. So for example, I got this song here. Let's drag it and drop it in here. Get it online. And now we have something ready. Now, of course, for releases, we recommend uncompressed lossless WAV files, but Bob's your uncle, you do how you best see fit. And we can start defining our information. So song name, it's important that we don't put our featured artists here. We don't want to put years or any other information that isn't vital to the song name. And then we put our artist name there. And after that, we can define our release. So these are based on the Billboard chart genres that are officially recognized. We're working on soon having a subgenre here so that you can be even more extensive or detailed with the genre that you feel best represents the music that you're creating. And you can mark it instrumental, or then which language primarily is the focus of the song, and you can also mark if it has explicit lyrics or not. So we'll put this as an instrumental. And credits work in the way that currently they're limited to project members. We are working on remapping metadata generally so that it's more modular and even easier to use. But currently, yeah, you can mark the people who are inside of the project into roles, and then they'll light up here. But if you want, you can also use the description field. So in addition to general metadata and the song info, so we can put here song BPM, give it a key, but also like here you see we don't have flats or sharps yet supported, so it's a bit limited. So if that doesn't work for you, you can just leave this empty and then mark it here. So we could say song key, D sharp minor or major, for example. If we have a code or some other info, we can add all of that into the description field, as well as the lyrics. So mapping out stuff here in the metadata allows us to enrich the data that we've added to the project that then make publication and release much more easy. And that, of course, is from here at the top. I can go and publish, but if you're interested into looking more into this, check out our next video.